What up, y'all? So I'm going to the gym. This is after hours. This is after I got out of work. I'm making some coffee because it's like better for you or whatever. Plus, I don't got pre-workout. So if anyone wants to send me pre-workout, my PO box in the description below. So send me stuff. Bro, I just pulled a Monica. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed. Then I'm gonna head out and then I'm gonna hit the gym because that's all I do anyways. Oh my gosh, this was, oh my gosh. Bro, in BMT, when we heard this, we had to stand at attention and like, even if it was cold or whatever, it still works for here, but like, it still plays out here if y'all don't think. Even in the morning, it be playing Reveille. No, whatever the hell it's called. I forgot. Get out my way. Okay, I totally forgot that rang at this time. Okay, anyways, I got my cup of coffee, feeling energized already. I'm gonna get them muscles. Just kidding. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I kind of want to play soccer, so we'll see how that goes. I have to return my friend's protein. I get my keys. I brought your protein bag.
Oh, thank you so much. And you got me with no sandals,
thank you.
no shoes.
Oh my gosh, pata sucia.
Pata sucia, what are you talking about? You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm always ready.
Let's go.
You're part of the vlog. Say what's up.
Hey, what's up? How are you? Belen. Osorio, Belen.
Belen Osorio.
Belen Osorio.
Get it correct. Belen Osorio Gonzalez. Anyways, I'm gonna go put this back in my room. I gotta love my fans.
The bros give a fuck what they say. Title little bitch, baby, quit play.
Damn, that picture.
Got no type, but I really need an Asian. Hey,
so this is our track, and we're gonna go play soccer right over there. But first, we gotta get the ball, right?
Right. Dead. Inside, I feel dead. I should charge you rent the way you living in my head. Still smell your perfume on the sheets up in my bed. I swear I could write a book, but the things I never said. Yeah. I've been gone too long. I've been gone too long.
It's honestly so cold out here, but like it feels great because when you run, it's like warming you up. But like I'm dying because I can't feel my hands, but it's like no pain, no gain or whatever. So this is kind of me like just getting used to running in the cold.
Run it up, blow that back. Run it up, blow that back. Bad bitch, can't do that, she dropped the neck. Threw my nigga to 4, I say pour the tech. Run it up, chase that bag. Get that cash, yeah, I might go cop a job.
Hey, fuck you talking about. I don't fuck around with no face, I'd rather call them out. I know niggas who gon' kill you just for talking loud. My thoughts be wild, I fuck around and clear the auction out, yeah. Run it up, run it up. Run it, dumb as fuck, must be drunk.
That's rough.
You don't run, nothing, keep it tough, fuck, nigga if you bustin', try to touch, me and us, in your life, no discussion, yeah, I hit a fuck in the road, remember my whip got told, was the same nigga, no gang nigga, ain't had
got some nutritious food over here, that's how you eat healthy.
Hi, can I sit with you?
Of course, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Belen,
That's how you make friends.
I've seen you at the gym before. You like to work out?
Yep.
They play all my songs, one by one.
This is my friend texting me to go to the gym, so bet. Because what else am I gonna do? Oh my gosh, I need to go to Walmart.